Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be an
Unboxing video.
I bought some components from robo.in and let's see what's inside the box. So at first we need to cut the package. So let's I don't think that this is going to help. So let it go and cut it with a small knife.
Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute.
I think we'll have to cut some more and one here I think, and we're done. Let's open. Oh, I think it's a very good package inside. I think it's my bill. Let it go. Some bubble wraps. We can use it for our stress release. Oh, see. So it's so cute. They said that we'll be getting either white or a black color, but this is also good. See. Okay, we'll be opening this also, but let's see this. Oh, see. I love this circuit. There are two of them. So now let's cut them and see what's inside. Here it is. This is a circuit which can transform our 5 volts to 12 volt. Means this is a voltage stepper booster, and this is the motor. So let's open it. So here it is. Let's cut it. Be careful a little bit or you will be cutting the wire. Oh, see, they look fantastic. So this is the shaft of the motor which is going to push the water which enters from this side to upward, and we'll be also checking it, but before that we'll see them. So let's cut the package.
You ever think that I am being too much? You got me feeling love. Even though
Oh, they're so cute. I think there is some strings in the package. Okay, no, not a big problem. Let's cut this one.
stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah.
So both are wonderful circuits. I love them. I love this kind of circuits. So let's test them also.
Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment.
So now let's see how much voltage of output can we get from this 5 volt supply. Okay, let's see. So as you can see that this is the output positive and this is the output negative. So we are getting around 28 volts. Wow, amazing. So let us now just increase the voltage, try to increase the voltage with the help of a screwdriver, obviously. I think instead of increasing I have decreased the potential difference, so no problem. Let us just go around again. Now this time anti-clockwise. Let's see. I think we came around at that point only, so let us go some rounds again. This time a little bit more, so let's see. Oh, at least 35 volts. I wish might be the ampere goes low. Okay, well, let's test the second circuit also.
My head on making me
Okay, now let's see. Let's check the second circuit also. So it is also giving around 27. I think the default setting which they used to give is around 28 volts. So let us decrease it, try to decrease it. Oh, obviously, anti-clockwise, not clockwise, right? So let's wait more. These are the kind of potentiometers. So let's see what's the result. Oh, I'm getting around 15 volts, so that's amazing. Now let us check the water pumps also. So we have our dark colored water pump, right? So here these are the two terminals, positive and negative. So let us get some power supply, and here it is positive and the negative one. So as soon as I give the current supply, you can listen that certain noise is coming from this pump. That means the pump is working. Oh, I can feel some air from that side. See? So now see, the shaft is moving here. The shaft is moving. As soon as I cut the current supply, it turned off. Now let us turn it on. See, this is that thing which actually helps in the displacement of water. We are not going to end it right up here. We are going to test this thing under the water. So we have some water right here. So let us connect it with the power supply. Turn. So I wish you can listen that the sound is coming from the pump. So now let us put it inside the water. Oh, it works nice, very nice. So now let me add some color inside it so that we all can see this thing carefully, but still we can see that is it is producing some waves inside the water. Let's try adding some color on it. So you can see as soon as I add color, it disappears, which means it is working very fast. Let me add some more color. That's wonderful. So you can see that the water is rotating. See, it's a very good pump. I wish. Now the water has been turned so orange that you can't see even by adding color. So let me change the water and let's try it out again. Ta-da! So let's try adding more color. Wow, that's a great effect. Wow, great. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you want to buy these things, then I will obviously put the link in the description. In robo.in you can get things very cheaply. I just bought these 4 components from Robo at a very reasonable price of around 350. So go and check it out. And if you want more unboxing videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Let's try something different. I'm bold adding colors. So in 3, 2,